We're on this sheet, left and right. Now we want to, in this, we want to extract these zip codes. So if you want to extract the zip codes, I can use flash fill. That will work. That will work. I can simply type in 260232, and that's very powerful. Press Control E, it will get me all the answers. But is there a function in just in case if that fails? Yes, you can use the function called left over here. Since we want the information from right, so I'll rather use right first. Right. From this text, 6 characters. Here we go. We'll have an answer here. We get it. Now over here we have the part numbers. Let's say I want to create a SKU number, which will have the 3 letters of the part number and last 3 letters of the zip code. Now over here, my SKU number would be 5J6232 or 5J6-232. I want to create something like this. So of course, from here, I want the right of the characters. So I'll say right 3 characters. And if I type enter, it will say from the right, how many characters do I need? 3 characters. So not right, sorry, left. From the left, I need 3 characters. And it will get me the answer. Now I want to use the 3 characters from the right of the zip codes from this. And I can say and right from here, how many? 3 characters. And close the parentheses. Here we go. And now you would say, okay, we don't have a dash here. We want it a dash. And we can say, okay, yeah. And in double quotes, I can type in dash, in double quotes, dash, double quotes, close. And here we go. And we can see that happening over here. And I can copy this back. So we can use and ampersand to combine 2 text, 2 formulas together. And over here, as we see, we're combining some characters from the left, extracting some characters from the left, extracting some characters from the right, and then combining to form a different number. And we can do it.